Assalamu alaikum guys, hi and welcome back to my channel DIY with Madika. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to make perfect chicken layer. This is a special recipe for my brother-in-law, and today he is the one I will be doing the cooking and I'm just gonna do the talking. I thought I will just share with you guys about living in Pakistan and also trying Pakistani food. So I thought about sharing with you guys about chicken biryani. That is delicious, but if you know how to get it perfect, that's what it's all about here in Pakistan. So of course chicken biryani in Pakistan is not about the tasting. There is a lot of secrets to get it better, like layer and so on, special ingredients as well, and spices. While today I do the talking and let the professional do the cooking. So I love it because I'm here in Pakistan to learn and do it for myself. So guys, I hope you do try this recipe because that will be very helpful for you to understand about different type of traditional foods and as well as how they do it. Okay, I am South African and of course I do find it difficult, but when you know, of course you know, and when you're willing to learn, so you will. And some of you guys, if you are planning to come to Pakistan for a visit or maybe for 2020 World Cup next year, so you will be able to understand a little bit. That's what this channel is all about, sharing my experience living abroad. So today is all about chicken biryani and how it tastes. Some of them they like it hot, spicy and normal. So today my friend is going to cook it just normal, okay, because we do have kids at home. But if you want it from restaurant, it is of course tasty and spicy, but yeah, I love it. So guys, this is how it is look like. You make first layer, then you add on ingredients, and then again you make the second layer, then you add the chicken again, and then the third layer. And when you're done with that, you do the little bit of decorating with tomato and other thing that you like as well. And after that, just you cover it and cook it on a low flame until it's done. And in the meantime guys, you can actually enjoy it with raita or salad. But next time guys, I'm gonna do the cooking, so I'll be able to show you guys all the ingredients, what is needed and so on, and how many you gonna need it as well. And the bigger thing is that Pakistan is a different country. It does have a special taste, you know, when it comes to food and so on. And I hope you guys like it. Please share, comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of it. And you can see it's ready now. And some of the people, they actually like to add a color to it, okay, to make it a little bit yellow or something on less, something like that. But for me, to you guys, this is all and it's ready. And thank you guys for watching. Please share it and try it. I'll be waiting.